What's up guys, I'm Chef Ronaldo and welcome to Smoke Sessions. I've teamed up with Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and the Home Depot to cook up some recipes using different grilling techniques to help you master your flavor at home. Smoking is a form of indirect cooking done for hours over low heat, typically between 150 to 300 degrees. It tenderizes the meat and adds smoky flavor to whatever you're cooking. Today, we are smoking ribs using a pomegranate chile barbecue sauce. Paired with the amazing smoky flavor of Kingsford charcoal, it's going to be delicious. We're using the 3-2-1 method. 3 hours of cooking, then we're gonna wrap them up for 2 hours, and then 1 hour to finish them off. Start by adding mustard as your binder and season with salt and pepper. Let it sit at room temp for 30 minutes for best flavor. I'm going to load in the Kingsford charcoal, light the grill, and set the temp to 200 degrees. Smoke for 3 hours. Pull the ribs off the grill, set your temp to 225 while you wrap the ribs. Add apple cider vinegar and butter to the foil. Ribs meat side down and wrap. Add back to the grill for additional 2 hours. The consistent heat from Kingsford charcoal and the ability to change and maintain the temperature is one of the reasons why I love smoking this way. Now we're gonna make our sauce. As the smoke is coming to the end, you're gonna add a pan to the grill, add a bit of oil, shallots, garlic, and sauté that until translucent. In a separate bowl, whisk your sauce ingredients together, add to the pan, and you're going to cook it until the sauce sticks to the back of your spoon. Remove ribs from foil, place back, and cook for an additional 1 hour. Brush with sauce, and cook for an internal temperature of 145 degrees. If you want it to shred, cook to an internal temperature of 170. Let's take a bite. That is absolutely delicious. I love pairing unexpected flavors like pomegranate and hacha chili with tender ribs smoked perfectly, which you can only achieve with Kingsford. You have to try this one. Thank you for watching. Now head over to the Home Depot to pick up your Gravity Series 1050 in Kingsford charcoal. See you next time.